Today, we're diving into the TP-Link Deco S4 AC1900 Mesh Wi-Fi system. This three-pack promises to blanket your home in seamless Wi-Fi, replacing your old router and extenders with one cohesive network. We'll explore its real-world performance, value, and potential downsides to help you decide if it's right for your home. We first assess how the Deco S4 performs in typical home environments, focusing on 3 coordinated nodes work together to effectively eliminate dead zones, providing widespread and reliable Wi-Fi coverage across multi-room or unusually. The dedicated Deco app streamlines the entire installation process, guiding users through each step and consolidating all network management under. This system ensures devices seamlessly transition between nodes as you move around your home, maintaining a consistent connection without requiring. While adequate for common internet speeds, the Wi-Fi 5 standard and wireless backhaul can limit peak throughput, especially for faster. The Deco S4 delivers on its promise of broad and stable Wi-Fi coverage with an incredibly. Next, we evaluate the TP-Link Deco S4's overall value proposition compared to other mesh. With 3 nodes for broad coverage, this system offers an economical solution to eliminate dead zones, often at a lower. The inclusion of Gigabit Ethernet ports and optional wired backhaul enhances network flexibility, providing reliable connections for wired devices, and it provides stable and consistent performance for common household activities like streaming video, browsing, smart home device traffic, and reliable. While a strong budget choice, inexpensive Wi-Fi 6 mesh systems now offer better long-term performance and future-proof technology for growing. The Deco S4 provides impressive coverage and practical features for its price, making it a budget-friendly. Finally, we consider the potential risks and common complaints associated with owning the Deco. As a mature platform, the Deco S4 is widely used and consistently reports stable real-world coverage, indicating a high level. Different hardware revisions may exist, potentially leading to variations in specifications or the number and layout of Ethernet ports. Buyers with gigabit-class internet might find its wireless backhaul and Wi-Fi 5 limitations disappointing, unable to fully utilize maximum speeds. TP-Link offers comprehensive support, including firmware updates, a dedicated app, and extensive documentation, all backed by a large user end. This system generally offers stable and reliable performance due to its mature platform. The TP-Link Deco S4 offers a compelling solution for expanding Wi-Fi coverage in homes plagued by dead zones, especially for those with moderate internet speeds. Its simple setup and mature stability make it a solid budget-friendly choice.